blanket. Why did you steal my blanket from me? Give it back to me. It's my blanket. Why, I had it first. No, you didn't. Yes, you did. It's my blanket. Give me back my blanket. See, it's my pink blanket. It's my lady friend. That's not a lady friend. That's just a blanket. No, it's my girlfriend. Really, it is. Really. Really. That's my girlfriend, see? Look at her with her great big pretty head. She's so cute. I told you she's my girlfriend. No, she isn't. No, she isn't. You're a liar. She's my girlfriend. My girlfriend. Mine. 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 Don't you treat her like that. You're abusing her. What is going on around here? You guys are too rough. You killed it. Oh. It's dead, I think. Hey, you! Wake up, you! Hey! Oh, my God! Oh, my God! Help, 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 help! Help! I don't like this rough stuff. I don't like this rough stuff. This is not what I signed on for. No, no. No, this is not what I signed on for. Yeah. Ziggy, are you going to be a self-satisfier over there? Is that what we got? Is Ziggy going for the old self-satisfier while Butch gets with Pinkie? Pinkie? Butch, get a room. You heard me? Get a room. Okay. Ziggy, you're really going to be a self-satisfier there. And you, Butch, get a room. Get a room. Give me Pinkie. Give me Pinkie. Pinkie, give me Pinkie. Give me Pinkie. Ah! You stole Pinkie from me. Oh, no. Oh, no. Help, help. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, don't. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, you're so wild. Oh, you're so wild. Oh, you're so wild. And, oh my God. Do it like that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Do it like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Do it like that. Oh. Faster. Oh, harder. Faster, harder. Faster, harder. Oh no, you're breaking my back. Oh no, too hard. No, stop it. I said, drop it. Enough. Save some for next time. Okay. Go ahead. Play nice. Go ahead. Play nice. Playing nice is boring.